All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I got a little Kia on Crime video for you guys here tonight, and what I got here is a 2023 Kia Stinger GT. This car has a couple goodies. It's got upgraded intakes, intercooler, charge pipe, and mid pipe, running on a 93 tune with a TCU tune. And he's gonna be running up against a 2023 Kia Stinger GT. Now you just saw this guy race up against the M440i. Now these cars have similar mods, and usually I don't film two of the same cars race, but these two guys have known each other for a while and have very similar setups, so they wanted to see who's faster between them. So this car has upgraded intakes, intercooler, charge pipe, downpipes, and mid pipe. So this one has the upgraded downpipes, the black one doesn't. And this one is also tuned as well with the TCU tune. So we will see between the two which one's faster. So hopefully you guys will enjoy the video. So both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. So get up to speed quicker, yep. All right, guys. So we are gonna do a 50 roll.
Yeah.
When you're ready. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. You got him. All right, guys, round 2. We are gonna do a 40 roll. Speed. A little faster. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Neck, starting to pull.